ॐ सहना भवतु सहनो भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः 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 पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्. We have to see the vakyas. Can you start?
ब्रह्मणः जगत् उद्भवति जगतः कर्ता ब्रह्मा वा ब्रह्म నుండి జగత్తు ఉద్భవించింది జగత్తుకు కర్త
ఇంకా కొంచెం మార్పు రావాలి. జగతః which vibhakti?
Shashti.
Shashti. Yes.
జగత్తు యొక్క జగత్తు యొక్క కర్త జగత్తు యొక్క కర్త బ్రహ్మ.
So we have to use the vibhaktis so that when we read Bhashya and Tika, it will help. Without using vibhaktis also we can make a statement in Telugu, because in general language we won't use any vibhaktis. But here we have to practice that. Okay, next in English.
Brahma is Jagat's Udbhavati, so originator or Udbhavati. How would you?
Originator. Brahmanah Jagat Udbhavati. No.
Oh, Jagat
is Vibhakti
from Panchami.
Brahmanah. Then?
So, okay. So, Jagat originated from Brahma. And Jagat, and Brahma is Jagat's Karta. And Brahma is Jagat's
Karta of Jagat.
Karta of Jagat.
So it's not originated, right? It is not past. It is originates from Brahma.
Originates
from. Yes.
Jagat originates from Brahman, and Brahma is Jagat's Karta.
Is var to be taken as or in this case?
I think it should be and, because both is the same, right?
Yeah, both statements are nothing but same. Na? When we say Jagat has come from Brahma, also that means Jagat is Brahma is the Karta, creator of Jagat. So that Jagatah Karta, Brahma is also making the same meaning, giving the same meaning.
Okay, thank you.
That's why va are. Next.
Viyati Pakshinah Uddiyante. So in the sky, the birds fly.
Next.
Pushpani patanti santi. The flowers are falling.
Next.
Odanam pachat asti. Sorry, is somebody
Okay,
else.
go ahead.
Okay. The rice is cooking.
Next.
Yodha yudhyate pakshi
Uddiyate
uddiyatva agnihi dipyate dustaha krishyate cha.
This udadiyate, it could be that dakara should be a halanta, I think. It is not udadiyata.
Uddiyata. Yodaha yudhyate. The warrior fights. Pakshi uddiyate. The bird flies or flies. Agnihi deepyate. Fire burns. Dustaha klishyate. Klishyate, the wicked or the bad person, and klishyate.
Klish is the dhatu. What is the meaning in Gadha Shabda Kosha? Klish?
Dukhi. Think I should.
Sufferers.
The Dukkita Fana. And the bad person, Dukkita Fana, feels pain.
Suffering. Suffers.
Suffer. The bad person suffers.
Next.
Just a clarification there. The uddiyata, uddiyata, it is the is full only, and it is lang lakar.
Oh,
past
okay.
tense.
Udadiyata.
Yeah. So it is flew. The bird flew.
Oh, okay. Past tense. So when they have given va, I thought it is optional form for uddiyate. Because of sandhi, sometimes this two kinds of forms will be formed. So I thought in that way. Okay, thank you. Next. Next.
Who's
Should
mom? Who's? I think it's Anusha's turn.
yeah.
Anusha, please.
Mama dharme buddhihi karmani cha pravrittihi asti. నాకు ధర్మం నా ధర్మంలో తెలివిగా ఉన్నానమ్మా.
బుద్ధి ఉపయోగించు, పర్వాలేదు.
బుద్ధి కలిగి ఉండి
లేదా జ్ఞానం,
కర్మ చేయడంలో సహజ జ్ఞానం ఉంది. సహజంగా జ్ఞానం ఉంది.
సహజంగా ఎక్కడొచ్చింది? నో, ప్రవృత్తి అంటే కర్మ చేయడంలో ఎంగేజింగ్. గ్రంథం యందు ప్రవృత్తి సహజ సిద్ధంగా మీనింగ్ కాదు ఇక్కడ. సర్వవేదాంత సిద్ధాంత సార సంగ్రహంలో గ్రంథం అధ్యయనం చేయడానికి ప్రవృత్తి అనేటటువంటిది ఏర్పడుతుంది అని చెప్పాం కదా. ఎప్పుడు ప్రయోజనం ఉన్నప్పుడే గ్రంథ అధ్యయనానికి ప్రవృత్తి అనేటువంటిది ఇక్కడ కూడా కర్మ చెయ్యాలి అనేటటువంటిది కలుగుతుంది, ఉంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్ in English.
My buddhi is in dharma, and in karma I have pravritti.
Is it my buddhi in dharma, or is it I have a focus on dharma? How should I understand? Mama dharme buddhihi. Is it mama buddhihi, or is it I have buddhi in dharma?
The way I looked at it, it is I have conviction in dharma, right?
So
that is mama. But when you say it in thing, it will be mama buddhi only. My buddhi, when they say, it means my conviction.
So in Hindi, if you want to say it, it will be मेरी धर्म में बुद्धि है, कर्म में प्रवृत्ति है. So
So pravritti, for pravritti you can say inclination. I have inclination. So
Then what Uma said is correct, am I right?
yeah, but it is still mama only is the point being made.
my only. My.
Yeah, my intellect is in dharma.
Dharma, and
Huh.
in karma I have pravritti.
So I'm not getting the difference. What is the difference in both sentences? Yeah, please can you repeat?
So the two sentences, the way I thought of them is, one is what you said, that is my buddhi is in dharma, my
Yeah, yeah.
engagement pravritti is in karma. So that is one.
Yes.
The
Huh.
other one is I have conviction in dharma. I have engagement in karma.
So meaning wise, what I got is even though in my mind I believe that dharma is foremost, I still am inclined to do karma. The inclination is towards karma.
No, both sentences are different. Cha is there. This one and this one.
Yeah.
Mama dharme buddhihi and pravrittihi karmani. Or karmani pravrittihi.
Yeah. So if I keep my mind in dharma, then I will do dharmic karma. Is the point?
Okay.
Is what I got.
I will check this one. We can move forward.
Okay. Panditam manyah panditam mani va asti. Sorry, Saha was in the beginning. So he considers himself a scholar or a learned person.
Next.
Aham shakahari niramisha bhoji va asmi. I am a vegetarian. Niramisha bhoji. I don't know what it is.
Also same meaning.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't eat meat. Niramisha bhoji.
No, yeah, nirasha. Or I don't eat it.
Yeah, that is doesn't mean that means shakahari only, na? Both padas meaning is same.
Yeah, that's how it's put it here. Yeah, I think it is used interchangeably. But
yes.
but
Okay,
we know
next.
there are variations in this. So sorry. No, in practice, I'm just saying, but we can use them interchangeably. Jagat Sundar hai. So the world is beautiful.
No, this should be in Sanskrit.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Jagat Sundaram asti.
Yes. Next.
जगत में बहुत से मनुष्य मूर्ख और पापी है। जगत में लोक के और जगत
Which vibhakti it is?
सप्तमी।
Saptami. What is the Saptami in Jagat Shabda?
जगत है और like the drama, like the
Jagati. Ikara. Jagati. Hrasva Ikara.
जगति बहुत बहवः जनाः मूर्खाः पापिनः च सन्ति.
Yes. Shivananji is developing good. Next.
आकाश में बहुत से पक्षी है. आकाश देखिए वियत, तो वियते
What is the pada? Shabda?
वियते वियत in the
Viyati.
yeah. Oh, वियत जगति वियति.
हाँ.
वियति अनेकाः पक्षिणः सन्ति.
Yes. Next.
आकाश निर्मल है. वियत् स्फुटः अस्ति निर्मलम् अस्ति.
Nirmalam asti, we can say.
Okay.
Next.
फल पक रहा है. फलम पचति. Not पचति. पक रहा है. So what is that?
What is the shabda given? Upendraji is not there.
I think dropped.
There, he just dropped, I think.
Leram.
Okay, okay.
For it is getting ripe. So we pakat. So pachat is for cooking, no? We cannot use pach.
So,
Pak is what? Meaning is what? Pak means?
Ripe. It's becoming ripe.
Ripe. Oh, okay.
No.
Pakva.
Pakvam. So,
Pakvan.
so how do we use that?
Pakvan asti.
Oh, phalam pakvan asti. So
Hmm.
that's like
Shatru
shatru.
pratyaya.
Okay.
Yes. Next.
So is Pakwan because it is Napunsakalinga?
Pakvan is Pullinga.
Okay.
पत्ता गिर रहा है.
1 minute. Shatru pratyaya. Pakvat, we can use Pakvat, Napumsakalinga, because Falani is Napumsakalinga. So Pakvat. Next.
पत्ता गिर रहा है. पत्रम पतन्ति. पत्रम पतति.
Can you use Shatru pratyaya?
Sure. Patat asti.
Patram is?
Napumsakalinga.
Patat asti, yes. Next.
गुरु की गति, मनुष्य की मति, धीर की धृति, कवि की कृति, भद्र की भूति, उदार की उक्ति, इष्ट की इष्टि, वीर की वृत्ति, पुरुष की प्रवृत्ति, योग की युक्ति और मुमुक्षु की मुक्ति सुखद हो. So it is गुरोः गतिः, मनुष्यस्य मतिः, धीरस्य धृतिः, कवयस्य कृतिः.
Kavayasya. What is the Shabda?
Kavihi, won't it be kavyasya?
What is the Pratipadika?
Kavi.
Kavi, Ikaranta, Pullinga.
Right.
What is the Shashti?
Oh, I just assumed it was kavyasya. So sorry. What would it be?
Kavi.
Kavehe.
Kavehe. Like
Okay.
Harehe.
Okay. Kavehe kritihi then Bhadrasya Bhritihi, sorry, Bhutihi.
Yes.
Then Udarasya Uktihi. Ishtasya Ishtihi. Virasya Vrittihi. Purushasya Pravrittihi. Yogasya Yuktihi. Mumukshvas. So I wrote Mumukshvasya, but I'm not now sure.
No, Mumukshu is what kind of shabda it is?
It's a Ukaranta. So Guru.
Ukaranta.
So Guru. So Mumukshav.
Guroho, Mumukshoho.
Mumukshoho Muktihi. Sukhada Bhavatu.
Cha Sukhadam.
Yeah. So Sukhadam.
Yes.
Sukhadam Bhavatu. Oh, I thought Sukhada because Mukti, Yukti, all are.
Striyam Tin.
Yeah. So I thought it would be Sukhada, feminine.
Okay. Yes, yes. Yeah, just Sukham Syat is good. Sukham Bhavatu is good. You said the Strilinga, right?
Yeah.
But Strilinga, it is not Visheshana.
Oh, okay.
It is, Guru should get Sukham. Right?
Oh, I understand. Okay. That it is through Mukti. So may have a. That's how I understood it. Okay.
Pullinga is there. Some words are Pullinga, some are Strilinga is there.
Okay.
Okay. Next.
संस्कृति में धर्म में प्रवृत्ति विद्या में गति मुक्ति के विषय में मति और विपत्ति में धृति सब में नहीं होती। संस्कृतिषु धर्मम प्रति प्रवृत्ति ही नास्ति।
धर्मे च
सर्वे धर्मे च। Okay, सर्वे संस्कृतेषु we cannot.
No. Some you can use Samsruti also. Samsruti nothing but Jagat only. You can use Jagati.
Okay. Jagati dharmam.
Dharma me. Which vibhakti?
Saptami. Dharmashu. Dharmashu. Dharme.
Is it Bahuvachanam or Ekavachanam?
Dharme, na, it all Bahuvachan, na?
Bahuvachanam, then Dharmeshu, okay.
So Jagati, Dharmeshu.
Then this also should be Bahuvachan only, na?
Yeah, that's what I thought. So Samsriti, because it applies for all, Sabme. So Samsriti me, so that's why I thought.
Then Jagati, Jagatoho, Jagatsu.
Jagatsu. Jagatsu. Dharmeshu pravrittihi nasti. Dharmeshu pravrittihi nasti. Vidya me gati. So it will be jnani.
Where you have brought nasti? Oh, from the
last
end.
line nasti. So because everything is nasti, you have to apply for each one.
Okay.
Right? So vidya me gati, like jnani gati hi. मुक्ति के विषय में मति. So it is मुक्ति के विषय में.
विद्या में गति वर्ड
वैसे विद्याये और ज्ञाने गति ही. विद्या में
ज्ञानेषु गतिः.
ज्ञानेषु गतिः. ज्ञानेषु
हाँ.
गतिः. मोक्षस्य मोक्ष के or moksha. So it will be moksha.
मुक्तेः विषय.
मुक्तेः विषय मतिः.
विषयेषु. मुक्तेः विषयेषु.
विषयेषु मतिः. मुक्तेः विषयेषु मतिः. Then मुक्तेः विषय मतिषु विपत्
Not मतिषु.
मतिः विपत्ते धृतिः च नास्ति.
What is it? Vipatti?
विपत्तेः धृतिः.
Not vipatteः.
विपत्ति में again सप्तमी ना.
Vipatyam, because it's feminine.
But plural, na?
So I have a question there. This is saying everyone does not have this. So why should, but the samsara and all that are not in plural, right? Vidya is not in plural. It is not. So I'll just take one part. Samsriti में धर्म में प्रवृत्ति सब में नहीं होती. Then it would be everyone does not have
inclination
inclination in dharma
towards.
and or sorry, not inclination in the world. Sorry, nahi. That's a wrong.
Yeah, everyone does not have inclination towards.
What he was saying is up to this correct. Mati, that vipatti shabda ikaranta strilinga. What is given here?
Ikaranta na?
Ikaranta, strilinga or pullinga?
It is strilinga.
Strilinga. What is the bahuvachanam then? Mati, like mati. Mati, what is the bahuvachanam?
Vipattishu, then?
Mati.
Vipatyasu, correct.
Yeah, I don't think there is bahuvachanam here.
Vipattishu amma. Vipattishu amma. Vikaranta Strilinga. Matishu.
Vipatyayam. If it is Strilinga, is it?
So the point I think that we are asking is it should be
Vipattishu.
So vipattishu dhritihi cha nasti.
It is Strilinga, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Matishu.
So yeah, we don't understand why it is bahuvachanam. It is not bahuvachanam. According to the Hindi, it seems ekavachanam everywhere.
Oh, that's what I was asking. This dot is there. That's why I asked whether it is ekavachana or bahuvachana. He said bahuvachana.
Okay.
That's why I'm making everything is bahuvachan.
No, it's single.
All of that
singular.
Singular.
Because the sub does not go with each item. It is sub means everyone has that.
Okay. Then
Everyone doesn't have. Sorry.
Okay. I have in singular only, but I thought the dot is there, na? That's why it must be in plural. I mean, it's okay. Jagati dharme cha pravrittihi vidyayam gatihi muktehe vishayam matihi vipattau dhrutihi cha sarveshu na bhavanti. This is the complete vakya. Next.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Patihi patyam snehyati.
Patihi, which, what is the Kriya Pada?
Number 9, पति पत्नी से स्नेह करता है.
No, I asked Kriya Pada is what?
स्नेह्यति.
Is it Snihyati or Snehyati?
Oh, I wrote स्नेह्यति. It should be स्नेह्यति.
Snehyati in the
బోత్ ఉన్నాయి, రెండు ఉన్నాయి. స్నేహయతి స్నేహయతి కూడా ఉంది.
Okay, Snehayati and Snehyati. Okay,
Okay.
next.
राम रमा से स्नेह करता है. रामः रमायाः स्नेहयति.
Ramayaha. Why Ramayaha?
సే పంచమి వస్తుందని చెప్పినానమ్మా. తృతీయ వస్తుందమ్మా, పంచమి వస్తుందమ్మా.
Trutiya we can take.
Shouldn't it be
Ramaya.
Saptami? It can also be Saptami.
Saptami. What is the English
For
translation?
sneha, for trust, for all those words, isn't Saptami used?
Yes, that was the Saptami chapter. It said.
Okay.
రమాయాం, రామः రమాయాం స్నేహయతి.
Next.
गुरु के जाने पर शिष्य आया. So I've written this two ways. Gurau nirgate sati shishyah agatavan, and then the other one was Gurau nirgachati sati shishyah agatavan.
Gate Sati is correct. Sati, when it comes before Shabda, should be in Saptami.
Yeah. No, I used one as ta pratyay, the other as shatru pratyay.
Shatru pratyay. What is the Shatru pratyay Saptami?
Nirgachati sati.
But the meaning is not Shatru pratyaya.
Okay.
Meaning is ta pratyaya.
Okay.
Purnaji, can we also use Shanach here? Continuous.
No. Here ta pratyaya is correct the form.
So even for the previous phalam pakraha hai, the pach dhatu, it wasn't shatru, it was ta or it was tavatu. Because pakwavat and pakwam does not come in shatru. Pachat comes in shatru.
Pachat comes in Shatru. What is the question?
So I think we said pakwam asti or something like that.
Pakwan. Nakara.
So what?
Nakara should come. Pakwat.
There is Napunsaklinga, we said Pakwat.
For pach dhatu, pakwat. Okay, I'm
Not
maybe.
pach dhatu.
What dhatu is it?
Pakwa is the dhatu.
Dhatu? There is a dhatu like pakwa.
Pach dhatu only. Ta pratyaya becomes pakwa.
Yeah, that makes sense.
No. Yes.
Phalam
Pach dhatu.
pakvam asti or pakwavat asti. Okay.
Pakvam asti. Yes.
Okay. So next one is dharmo mein arya dharma shreshta hai. Dharme arya dharma shreshtaha asti.
It's plural, dharmo me.
Oh, dharmo me. Okay. So then it has to be dharmeshu. Amongst all dharmas. Yeah, okay. So dharmeshu arya dharmaha shresthaha asti. Yeah. Okay. When we use yasuna ishta. Yeah.
Next.
पर्वतेषु हिमालयः श्रेष्ठः अस्ति.
Next.
अर्जुनः धनुर्विद्यायां कुशलः पटुः निपुणः दक्षः च अस्ति.
Next.
राजा शत्रुओं पर बाण फेंकता है. राजा
Raja. What vibhakti should come here?
प्रथमा विभक्ति.
What is the pratipadika?
प्रातिपदिका राजा.
Okay, continue.
शत्रुओं पर सप्तमी विभक्ति है. शत्रुओं पर.
Yes.
शत्रुओं बहुवचन. शत्रुषु बाण फेंकता है. फेंकता है क्षिपति.
Sharan. Shara means bana. Sharan.
शरान फेंकता है. क्षिपति.
क्षिपति. Yes. Next.
राम युद्ध करता है. राम युध्यते.
Next.
रामः युध्यते. Sorry.
Next.
हम युध्ये. अहम युद्ध. मैं युद्ध करता हूँ. अहम युद्धे.
Next.
So it is aham yudhve. Is it latlakara? Uttama purusha.
It is
Yudhve. Yudhve must be dvivachana.
No, it says, okay. In this document, it says latlakara uttama purusha is yudhve. Let me check.
So let me know.
Latlakara uttama purusha yudhye is correct. Yudhyavahe, yudhyamahe. Where it is given? Yudhve?
I don't know where
In
yudhve is.
Rachananuvad Kaumudi, it is, I think it is incorrect. So it is
at the end, you are saying in the
it is given incorrectly. Yudhye is correct.
Yeah, yudhye is correct. Next.
तूने युद्ध किया. त्वम अयुध्यत.
Is it which lakara? Ayudhyata?
Oh, it is lang lakara, but I think I have to use ayudhyatha.
Yes.
Ayudhyata. Yes.
Next.
हंस आकाश में उड़ता है. हंस आकाश में उड़ता है. So हंसः वीयते उडीयते.
Uddiyate.
Is it correct? Udiyate.
Viyati.
Viyati. Viyati uddiyate. Next.
अग्नि दीप्त होती है. अग्नि ही दीप्यते
Next.
मूर्खः क्लिश्यते.
Klishyati. Why klishyati?
Okay, क्लिश्यति.
क्लिश्यति.
Next.
वह अपने आप को पंडित समझता है. सः पंडितम मन्यः अस्ति.
Next.
मैं शाकाहारी हूँ. अहम शाकाहारी अस्मि.
अस्मि.
Next. What is?
वह मांसाहारी है. वो मांसाहारी अस्ति.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.